Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The main contention of the state government was that because of the monsoon, the elections cannot be held during this period. And the state has clearly stated before the High Court that we will hold the elections by September. And during monsoon season, sometimes there are flooding, there are heavy rains, etc. It creates a problem not only for voters but also for the state machinery who is responsible for holding the elections. So that's the stand which we have taken. What happened was initially the state government had agreed to hold the election on 4th of June. But the election commission did not issue a notification for reservation for SC and ST. That is the precondition for issuance of a notification of date of election. That is one thing. But thereafter, election commission went on postponing the dates. First they said that it will be held on 11th of June. Thereafter they said that it will be held on 15th. Thereafter finally they said that they want to hold it on 18th. These are 3 dates which they subsequently proposed. But these were falling in the monsoon season and peak monsoon season. So it is impossible to hold the election during this period. And that is the stand of the state government. 2 months period from the date of reservation and from up to the date of actual declaration of elections. So that was a time frame which the High Court itself had suggested earlier, and that was a direction issued to the state government. That is what we pointed out to the High Court, saying that there has to be some time limit between the date of issuance of reservation notification and issuance of the declaration of elections. So there has to be some reasonable period. That is what we suggested. And we said that complying with all these, the elections can be held in the month of September.